The third part of section 56, a contract to do an act which becomes unlawful after the contract is made due to an event which the promisor could not prevent becomes void when the act becomes unlawful. This is the third limb of section 56, and here we are talking of the promised act becoming unlawful after the contract is made. Then also the contract becomes void. We can see as an illustration, A contracts to take in cargo for B at a foreign port. A's government afterwards declares war against the country in which the port is situated. A has made a promise. What is the promised act? The promised act is to take in cargo for B at a foreign port. Now, subsequently, A's government declares war against the country in which the port is situated, and therefore now it becomes unlawful for A's ship to go to that foreign port, and since the promised act has now become unlawful, the contract becomes void. Now, what is the effect if the contract becomes void? The effect of a contract becoming void is that neither party is now required to perform the promised act. The contract comes to an end. Neither party is required to perform the unperformed part of the contract, and neither side will be held responsible for non-performance. So contract becoming void means the contract coming to an end without any liability to either side, and none will be held responsible for not performing the remaining parts of the contract.